Right out we go. We are taking a look at very comfortable temperatures out there this morning. 50 degrees at Bradley. That's awesome. That's a couple of degrees warmer than average. 51 at Brainerd, 50 in Meriden, and even along the shoreline, temperatures are in the mid-50s. I mean, take a look at Chester, 55 degrees this morning. That's pretty awesome. So maybe just a light jacket or a sweatshirt. The winds are calm. You don't have to worry about any of that. As we move you through the day today, the temperatures are going to be climbing, getting into I think the mid-70s. I think this is even a little bit low, but there is that chance for a passing shower later this afternoon through this evening. Notice the icons go over to mostly cloudy skies. It'll be mostly cloudy through the day today with a chance for some passing showers. 67, 68, a little bit cooler for the shoreline. We should achieve the 68-degree mark by about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock this afternoon, but we do run the risk for some scattered shower activity. Once again, grab the umbrella. Not bad out there this morning. Torrington, partly to mostly cloudy. More of the same at Bradley, and we've got a beautiful skyline in Hartford. Good morning to you. There is rain to the north of Connecticut, and a couple of scattered showers are trying to push into the state. You'll notice them over in northwest Connecticut. Not a whole lot to talk about, but nonetheless, the roads might be getting a little bit damp in parts of Salisbury, Canaan, Norfolk, Barkhamsted, Riverton. Just be careful driving around up there because there is that little bit of a passing shower. Most of the activity this morning is to the north of Connecticut, and that's where it's going to stay. But we do run the risk for some scattered shower activity and thunderstorm activity as a cold front marches in towards the state a little bit later on this afternoon. So here's Futurecast, tomorrow's weather today, showing us an hour-by-hour depiction of spot showers. Not every town is going to see this activity. Some towns are going to stay completely dry, while other towns could get a little bit of a shower. This is 5 p.m. This is 5:45, maybe a little rumble of thunder. And then by 7, 8 o'clock tonight, it's all winding down. And tomorrow looks like a great day. Highs today climb into the mid-70s. We're talking about a pretty okay day of weather today. We're talking about temperatures out there in the mid-70s for inland Connecticut, mostly cloudy with a chance for some passing showers. Now, your 7-day forecast includes a nice day tomorrow, beautiful tomorrow, 74 degrees. Sunday, we're going to call for partly cloudy sky with a chance for a passing shower. Not a washout by any means, and we're talking about 79 degrees on Sunday, so it's going to be a warm one. Monday, even warmer, 85, and then a front moves through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Tuesday and Wednesday look great with temperatures in the mid-70s. Thursday, a chance for showers, still quite warm with temperatures above average for the foreseeable future. So we're getting into a better pattern here. Still a chance for shower activity today, though, so grab the umbrella, carry it with you. Rather to be safe than sorry.